Has a nice platform. When it did work, it worked well. It's been a little over a month, just past the return date, and the product won't turn on. It'll turn on, but it won't actually vibrate. So as you can see, the numbers are going. The remote works. You can hear it trying to power the plate, but it's actually not moving. I wouldn't recommend this product just because of I wouldn't recommend this product because it's now malfunctioning, and it's only been a month of use. And I'd say maybe 2 times